Hello everybody, my name is Archana and welcome to my English class. You have to play this video twice to teach reading to kids, and once word sounds are heard completely, you may mute the video in the second round and let the kids read the words on their own. Reading is this easy. I have told you this thing many a times in my previous videos also. So today we are taking this series further and we learn the correct method of adding ing to your short sound CVC words. In this video, I am taking two short vowel sounds A and E, short sounds of A and E. Let's see how to add ing to these two sounds. So first of all, the rule is called as the rule of double consonant while adding ing to your CVC words. This rule is applicable for your CVC words plus it should be a verb. Okay, what is verb? Verbs are nothing else but action words in which any kind of work is being done. And this rule is not applicable for words ending with X and W. So what is the rule? Let's see. Say for example, pat, in which you have a consonant, vowel and consonant. How do you add ing to it? For adding ing, what do you have to do? You have to write the base word pat and then repeat the last alphabet or consonant and then add ing. This is your short sound of A. If you have one more word, get, how will you add it? G-E-T-T, yes, correct. Then ing. Okay, let the kids see the rule, and we have got some more words based on the similar rule. Let's have a look at that, and along with it there are some sentences also. Let the kids read these sentences and words, and if possible please give dictation to them so that they can practice it also, because understanding of sight words is also very important. So let's have a look. Short A sound CVC words, adding ing to CVC words. Bat, batting, ban, banning, mat, matting, pan, panning, pat, patting, cap, capping, jam, jamming, gap, gapping. Map, mapping, nap, napping, tap, tapping, sag, sagging, lap, lapping, lag, lagging, wrap, wrapping, nag, nagging. Bed, bedding, pen, penning, wed, wedding, bet, betting, beg, begging, get, getting, leg, legging, jet, jetting, net, netting, hem, hemming, set, setting, let, letting, wet, wetting, web, webbing, wet, wetting, pep, pepping. CVC plus ing sentences. They want to go for wedding. It is getting very dark. This room has bedding of 5. He is hemming the dress. They are good for pepping up food. Writing takes efforts. Once words are read completely, give dictation in the third round and let the kids write the words on their own. Writing takes efforts, so be patient, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos, and yes, do join my WhatsApp group which is mentioned above the screen and in the description box also. Bye bye, take care, see you in the next video.